Hi there, Charlie Blaze here for Devlog 8 for my AI for Creative Technologies project. This week I wanted to implement my own dataset into the DC-GAN network that I set up last week and to implement a big GAN network system. This week I had a lot of problems with trying to get my dataset of my Pokemon sprites to actually work in my DC-GAN that I set up. It was either that I was using methods that I'd previously used in other networks, and it wasn't compatible with the tutorial code for the DC GAN network, or other suggestions that were found online seemed to be out of date or legacy or didn't work as well for my network. So I think I'm going to have to look some more into that before I can start generating some images from my dataset. However, I was able to set up a big GAN network, which takes in from the big GAN deep module dataset, and was able to produce lots of different generative images. So here we got a sample of burgers, which was their suggestion to get started, and then here are some other ones. We got like barns, crabs, armadillo, iPods, bobsled, aprons, and cups of tea, which are all generated from that big GAN deep dataset. And then also is using some interpolating or however you pronounce it, to go from one generated image to another. So we've got dog to a hen. And here's some other ones. We've got an alligator to a pug, plane to a bullfrog, jellyfish to a bird, and a canoe to a spatula. And I was trying to pick very obscure ones to see if we get anything interesting. And I think the most successful one was that sort of alligator to dog, where that middle area was a bit off-putting, but they're all quite interesting to see the progression. My goals for next week is obviously still trying to get my data set to work in these generative networks, but also to implement a pick-to-picks network. Thanks very much for watching.